of our electoral system as what the youth leaders in 2019 said.
Hindi rin sinabi ng petitioners at ng dalawang commissioner doon na nung nag-apply ang Duterte Youth Party List ng accreditation, it is Duterte Youth and Professionals ang nasa bylaws. So ang pina-aproba nating nominees, ang ages nung 5, 27, 40, 41, 43, and 46. Approved ng COMELEC and Bank yun noong 2019. So within a few months, nag-substitute ako within the given substitution period. So ako ay 33 years old. So umalis
At that
yung
time.
5. Umalis yung 5. So 4 yun, 40 years old. Pumalit ako 33 years old. So, hinabol na lang tayo after manalo. Ang sabi, you're overage. So sabi natin, paano ako naging overage kung yung 4 na 40 years old approved in accordance dun sa bylaws ng party list? And
The duty to energize the republic through the enlightenment of the Youth Sectoral Party List organization came about noong 2016 but had 5 official nominees noong 2019 para tumakbo sa 2019 Congress, who all withdrew, leaving then National Youth Commissioner Ronald Cardema to file a substitution with just himself, a 35-year-old or 34-year-old government official. Ayon sa batas, we can define youth as anyone under 30 years old. So, Mr. Presentation daw ang substitute Cardema bilang isang youth when he can represent and be a representative of something he is not according to the Constitution at yung party list system na that, which is why pinalala siya ng kanyang asawa na si Duciel Cardema, who actually had a seat noong 19 Congress. I mean, kahit si Salvador Panelo, Duterte's minion and supporter, sinabing wala siyang believe sa Duterte Youth dahil ginamit lang talaga ang pangalan ni Duterte. I could argue na
Ang posisyon ko doon, alam mo yun, Duterte Youth na yun, wala akong kabilib-bilib niya. Ginamit lang talaga nila yung pangalang Duterte. Dahil yung mga nasa likod niya, puro mga hindi magaganda mga record niyan eh. Talagang ginamit lang nila. Saka from the very beginning, talagang marami na silang paglabag. Pero mo, nominee nila hindi naman pala youth. Maraming paglabag eh. Kaya ako pabor dyan na tanggalin eh.